Alright guys, hello, thank you for coming to my channel. And while I'm driving here, I'm gonna compare, a little compare the experience of driving Model Y and experience of driving the BMW iX xDrive 50. First of all, it's like a day and night because it's super comfort. Here, it's like, I don't know, you like didn't feel nothing. You feel bump, of course. You still feel the bumps, the big bumps, but other than that, it's like smooth. It's like it's on the Mercedes Benz. It's like a Mercedes Benz. Very nice. And also inside, the comfort is like the different. It's different feeling here. Over here, you feel luxury and in Tesla, yes, it's nice. Yes, it's kind of cool car. It's tech car. Everything is great there. Um, and for the first electric car, it's awesome to have that. But for me, there was a little bit tough car. It was a little bit tough on the bumps. There was a lot of noise inside, and over here, it's nothing. You still hear the highway when you're driving on the highway, like 60, 70 miles, 70 plus miles on the highway, but other than that, it's super quiet. You can see here I'm driving on the bumps and everything. I'm gonna post that video. I'm not gonna do anything with the sound. And because on the Tesla, there was always problem to do the good sound because it's really hard. Any bump, just a little bump, and you feel like boom, boom, boom. That's because the suspension is sucks there. And over here, there's the air suspension, and the suspension working great. And the wrench is super great on this car, and so far that I see. And I didn't try for the long drive, but I will. And but what I see on the videos, that the BMW, if it show you, let's say that you can go. Uh, The range is the EPA range here, the 320 something, I think. But you can, I don't know if you can see here on my screen, they show me I have 80% and it show me 320 miles, that I could go 320 miles if I'm gonna drive normally. Of course, if I'm not gonna drive like crazy, like 90, 100 miles. This way I could go 320 miles. And yeah, that's what I see on the other videos. That is kind of true. And it showed that EPA like 320, but the real range is more than that. The real range is like 360, something like that. It's a big pack of battery here. 105 kilowatt usable. And on the other side, Tesla Model Y, it's from the when I just got that car, it showed me a 326, I believe. And then after a few months, it started showing me 308. But anyway, that was not true because for my experience, it never gave me like more than 200 to 220, 240 on the highway. Because you never charge your car always to the 100%, right? You're gonna charge your car from 10 to 80. That's the best thing that you can do. And in that situation, you could drive on the like 220 miles on the Tesla. And sometimes you need more on the highway, you know? You're ready to go more. You're ready to go like 250, you're ready to go 300. And, but sometimes with the Tesla, it just not happened. That's the main difference, the right away visible difference here. The other thing, it's charging. I'm not gonna tell you that the Electrify America is better than superchargers, of course not. The Tesla's superchargers infrastructure is the best right now. You just come, plug your car, and you go. Today I was trying to charge my car. I charged it, but I have to wait like 10-15 minutes in the line. And I was lucky. The charger working. I mean, there was everything fine. I charged like for 30 minutes and I was ready to go. But anyway, I saw the videos that the people have problem. The charger not working, the speed is like moving up and down, and that's kind of problems. I mean, I didn't have that problems yet. I hope I'm not gonna have those, but anyway, I will let you know. I'm gonna show you my car more later. I'm gonna show you more inside. I'm gonna show you the trunk. There is no trunk. That's so bad. There's actually less storage here inside of the car than in the Tesla Model Y. This is glove box. This is kind of storage here on the arm, and basically that's it. Not really too much storage here. And there is only trunk, no front. I mean, that's the minus, but anyway, but for me it's not minus. For me the main thing is comfort, and this is really a comfort car. Alright guys, anyway, that was just talk about this car. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Bye guys, bye.